After the first couple days of the storm, we really got a good daylight view of it, and the devastation to this area was horrible. Hundreds of broken poles, lines across roadways, multiple 911 calls. So as the storms progressed, we're into the last 120 to 150 customers in our remote areas of Mazenah, Mackay, and they are definitely a challenge terrain-wise. The helicopters flying in pole steady. So most of our everyday jobs, we roll up with our digger trucks, our buckets. We can set up on roadside, go up in the bucket and change transformer or whatever it is. In this case, it is far from that. Everything is climbing and access is extremely hard to get into.
We couldn't even see the line. We actually just knew we need to get the mechanical crews in here to clear the line, to then send damage assessors in to find out actually how many broken poles there were, how many transformers were damaged, and basically the access that's required to present a design to the lines crew so that we could get this executed. Some of the factors that we considered was to beef up the line to make it more stronger for any upcoming storms, such as putting more guys on them and higher poles when needed. The pole's stronger, it's bigger, a lot more wood in it. Also, we chose to use a number 2 conductor. It's a smaller conductor, so when the tree comes down, it'll break the wire and not the pole. Once all the lines restore, the forestry department's going to come back in with a broadcast seed application, and clover and all good sorts of grasses will come up for wildlife and just for the public, so they can utilize this right away and maintain it in the future.
The teamwork on this storm has been unreal. It starts right from the office staff to our data assessors, to our forestry department and our lines, and working together hand in hand. It's been amazing, and we've needed it in this storm, that's for sure.